Halo eyes are absolutely gorgeous to look at, but equally intimidating to do for a lot of people. So, I've got you a very simplified hack of doing halo eye that doesn't require tons of blending or brushes or skills. So, if you want to know what this hack is, then let's get started. I'm starting out by cleaning up underneath my brow using the back takeover concealer in the shade Stark Nude. And for my lid, I'm using a deeper shade of concealer. This one's LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. That's because having a deeper base just makes the eyeshadow on top pop more. And I'm blending it using my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. For today's video, I'll be using the All Neutrals palette by Natasha Denona. So I'm setting my concealer using this deep brown shade with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. And next I'm blending out its edges using a mini beauty blender. This one is by Mars. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. Using a sponge tip applicator, I'm dipping into this deep charcoal shade and stamping it right in my inner and my outer corner. And I'm dragging the shade towards the middle of my lid to create a nice halo effect. And using my finger, I'm dipping into this bright gold shade and stamping it right in the middle of my lid, and I'm using my finger to blend its edges. Very quickly, I'll be revealing my tape and cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out the deep brown shade with my sponge tip applicator. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this bright gold shade with my flat short shader brush. And to finish up, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and happened to learn something from it. In case you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.